In this video, I will show you the wiring instruction of ADL400. As you can see in the picture, the left part is the circuit breaker and the main body is ADL400. Besides which is the smart gateway and the right side is the current transformer. The display board shows the three-phase 4-wire ADL400 connection. The lower terminal is connected to the current transformer, which will connect to the load in reality. The primary current of the transformer flows from the P1 surface to the P2 surface. The secondary current corresponds to the output of mutual A mutual sensor. S1 is connected to RA positive terminal, S2 is connected to RA negative terminal, so are the mutual B sensor and the C sensor. B mutual sensor S1 is connected to IB positive terminal, S2 is connected to IB negative terminal. C mutual sensor S1 is connected to IC positive terminal, S2 is connected to IC negative terminal. And the upper terminal of the meter is connected to the voltage incoming line. UA, UB, and UC are connected to A, B, and C three-phase voltage respectively, and N is connected to the neutral wire. Port 21 and port 22 are the communication terminals, so RS485 N positive, B negative, A connects to port 21 and B connects to port 22. After the circuit breaker is connected to the power supply, turn the switch up and the devices are all powered on. The voltage, current, and other data can be checked up by up and down key. This is the instruction of ADL400 three-phase 4-wire connection.